Math Standard 8.f.b. David and Karen have a goal to read 10,000 pages together by the end of summer. David reads 80 pages every day. Karen reads 25% more pages every day than David reads. David and Karen agree that the model 180D equal 10,000 will tell them how many days it will take them to read 10,000 pages together by the end of summer. They invite Rick to read with them to get to their goal faster. Rick reads 35% fewer pages per day than Karen. Which equation can be used to find how many days it will take David, Karen, and Rick to read 10,000 pages together by the end of summer? So now, first we need to know how many pages can these three people can read. So for David can read 80 pages per day. Pages per day. Alright. Now for Karen, it says 25% more pages every day than David reads. Now we need to know the 25% of 80. So let's multiply it. So 80 multiplied by 0.25, that's gonna be equal to what? 20. Alright. So now 20 plus 80 is equal to 100. So Karen can read 100 pages per day. Alright. So now we need to know for Rick. So for Rick, it says that Rick reads 35% fewer pages per day than Karen. Fewer. So this would be 100 pages for Karen multiply by 0.35, which is equal to 35. Alright, and then we will subtract this from 100. So 100 minus 35, that is equal to 65 pages per day. So now we need to add all of them. So for David we have 80, for Karen we got 100, and then for Rick we got 65. So if you will add all of them, 180 plus 65 is 245. So these three people, David, Rick, and Karen, can read 245 pages per day combined. Alright, so what is the equation here? So the equation here is 245 pages per day, so multiplied by D, is equal to 10,000. Alright, so which one is the correct answer? So the correct answer is letter B. So 245D equal to 10,000.